I wanted to share how we are using the EddieBot and how it's bringing us incredible value. I'm Tom Schwab, the founder of Interview Valet, and I am all in on category design. I'm trying to teach it to my team. Now, it can be overwhelming. I just didn't want to drop them 20 ebooks and other kinds of reading assignments. So I'm thinking, how this quarter could I introduce them more to the idea of category design? So I've got my ideas, but I figured why not go to the EddieBot? So in about a half hour, I was able to talk, not type. I talk everything. I was able to talk with Eddie's bot and talk about who we were trying to teach, what we were trying to do, what the end goal was. And he was able to break it down into 3 months of what we would focus on each month, each week, and even to the point of suggesting different ebooks to pull content from. And it gave a great structured outline for it in 30 minutes. So I'm using that now to actually execute and share and evangelize for category design to my team. Just another amazing way of how we're using technology. So excited to get more and more discussions with the EddieBot.